Good day, my dear friends. Do you love the sea? Do you know that there are people whose lives depend on what they get from it? We shall now learn about the issues some fishermen face and how they make the right decisions for a happy future. There lives a group of fishermen and their families in a village by the sea. Every day they go out to sea and catch fish. They then sell it on the shore and make their money. One day they find that there are very few fish in their nets. The number of fish in that part of the sea had gone down suddenly and in large numbers. People did not buy fish if it was not fresh too. All the fishermen are worried now. They think about how they can catch more fish. Imagine you are a part of their discussion on this. Can you come up with a solution to resolve this problem? Someone has suggested that they can go further into the sea. There may be more fish there. The others seem to like the idea. Do you think this was a good solution to the problem they faced? The next day, all the fishermen sail much further into the sea to catch fish. They catch a lot of fish and are very happy. But, alas, it takes them a few days to get back to shore. The fish they caught are not so fresh anymore. People waiting to buy fresh fish are disappointed. These fish are not fresh, they complain. No one bought fish from the fishermen. Now what do we do? Wonder the fishermen. This solution has not worked, said one of them. Imagine, you are a part of the fishermen's discussion again. Can you come up with another solution to solve their problem? One other fisherman comes up with another idea. We can keep a freezer on the boats. The fish will then stay fresh even if we take a few days to get back to shore, he says. The others approve the new idea. They decide to try it out. The next day, with a freezer set up in the boat, they all set off for fishing. They come back after 2 days of catching fish. This time, the fish seem fresher and people buy them. This time too, they come back with a complaint. It is not as tasty as fresh fish, they say. Can you think of an alternative solution? What can the fishermen do to ensure their customers get fresh fish? This time, the fishermen take a decision to keep a tank on the boat. The fish will be alive when we get back to shore. We can sell those fresh, said one fisherman. They try out this idea and it seems to work. People buy the fish at first, but they again come back with the same complaint. It is still not as tasty as the fresh fish we buy from you. Why is this happening? They ask. The fishermen meet again to discuss this. I think it is because the fish are not moving around in the tank. They are still, says one fisherman. Once more, the fishermen think about how to make the fish swim around and be alert in the tank. Finally, they make a unique decision. Students, what do you think this decision is? How do the fishermen make the fish swim around in the tank? Have a discussion in the class and list the solutions on the board. Shall we see what the fishermen did? The solution the fishermen come up with was to include a bamboo shark in the tank. "A shark?" says one fisherman in surprise. "Why, that will be too big for the tank." "Not the bamboo shark. It is quite small and will fit easily into the tank," says another fisherman. When a predator poses a danger to their lives, all the fish will be busy moving around in the tank. They will try and escape the shark. "But won't the shark eat up the other fish?" asks a fisherman doubtfully. "Not likely. The bamboo shark feeds on pieces of fish and shrimp. We will be feeding the shark, so he won't eat the other fish." "But they don't know that." "They will feel threatened and will stay active," said another fisherman. The idea works very well. The fish stay alert in the tank, swimming away from the shark. The people who bought fish also got the fresh fish they wanted. Everyone was happy. Did you see how many solutions the fishermen came up before they found one that worked? When there is a problem, we may need to come up with a number of solutions. Not all may work. We need to see which solution is best suited to solve the problem at hand. Bye for now and happy problem solving!